Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to today's video. Can you hear? My name is Norma and to my returning subscribers. You guys are my Regi, okay? I love you guys so much. So guys, it has been a while we make hair in this channel. So we are making hair today. So we are making a very simple hairstyle, like a very simple hairstyle, okay? Because this baby girl right here, the energy is at 5%. So we are using 5% energy to make this hair. That is why the video is going to be a very short and quick one. Okay. So to make this hair, we are using Kinky bulk. I don't know if you guys know Rosemary Kinky bulk. Thank God I still have the label. So this is what we are using. Rosemary Kinky bulk. Yeah, the product is actually good. I have used it before and I think I like it. Yeah, I think I like it. I like it. I like it. It's nice. So I've used from it already. So I don't know if this one is going to be enough or not, but let's try. So let's quickly get started and see what we are going to achieve. Okay, guys, can you see how long and healthy my hair is growing? So you should get started with your hair growth journey and thank me later. So first of all, first thing to do before you start braiding your hair is to hydrate and moisturize your hair for easy access. So my hair is hydrated and moisturized already, but I am just applying a little leave-in conditioner to soften my hair even more. So I always get this question, how do you see your back? Like how am I able to part my hair? Guys, this question right here, well, it is not an easy work, but guys, trust me, when you get used to it, it will become an easy process for you, okay? So these are the things I do. I just get my small mirror and a bigger mirror. Yeah. Once I part my hair, I will use my smaller mirror to see my back through the bigger one. And to get a very clear part or hairline, should I say hairline? Yes. To get a very clean hairline, you just need your braiding gel. Yeah. Once you part your hair, get a braiding gel, apply a braiding gel, and then repeat the same thing. Repart your hair again, and trust me, you are going to get a very clear hairline. Yeah, and that is just it. Okay, so what I am doing here is just my normal three strand braid, which most of us already know how to make or how is being made. Okay, so just part your hair in a size you want, then start braiding. Braid three strand, then do your twisting method, because what we are doing is kinky twist. Yeah, it's just so easy because I don't see it as anything because I'm used to making my own hair. Okay, guys, I love making my hair myself because some salons can be so arrogant. I'm sorry to use that word, or should I say careless. Some salons don't just know how to handle hair, they just handle your hair carelessly. So that is why I prefer to make my own hair, because I would handle it very well in my own way. I prefer making it, even though it take me like weeks or months to finish. I don't mind, but I would rather take my time and get what I want, and also not to damage my hair. So in other way, we are making it in a salon method, or should I say salon in a salon way. Oyibo. So guys, what I mean by salon way is this. If you notice, the from the beginning of this hair, or from the beginning of the pattern, the back was a little bigger than the front, because I do not want it to be much. I just want a quick and simple something. Yeah, that is just all that we did here, and trust me, it all came out looking so good.
My heart couldn't feel much when I first met you, and I didn't know love could survive. Cut up, shut down, broke apart, and it can't move, and it all changed in one night. I wanna know how it feels to burn it down, light me up like a fire raging now. Feel the heat in between us, fight your face, and it's a feeling I love to chase. Can you free me like a tarot? Can you hit me on the blind side? Take another arrow to my heart like I don't mind.
So guys, we are all done, and because this is kinky pork, we do not need any hot water. Okay, hot water is not needed on this one. All you have to do is to trim off the rough parts, add your shine shine, and then apply any hair oil of your choice to your scalp for scalp protection and for also hair growth. If you have any hair growth, or you can apply, and then go ahead, did I say done? And then go ahead, rock your hair the way you want. And yeah, that is all. Hope to see you guys in my next one, and I believe you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye.